To further build on the previous slide about security threats, our most common is computer viruses. And one of the statistics that I read, it said that nearly a third of all household computers are affected with some type of malware, most of those being viruses. I just found that unbelievable, especially people don't even know that they're operating with these things going on in their computer. Two things that I didn't mention in the previous slide. One is phishing, and phishing is essentially a scam or a spam emails or requests of people saying they've earned money or please help this person in need a lot of times. And it's just these attempts to gather information from people without them knowing that essentially these people are trying to steal their information. And a lot of times they prey on elderly people who may not understand what's happening, or they take it as truth when it's just like a fishing expedition. They're just trying to get anything they can. And sometimes that certainly includes the IRS or utility bills saying that they need to call this number and pay with a credit card in the next 48 hours, or the police are going to come, silly things like that. And the younger generations can identify these pretty quickly. And so mostly it's something that happens to people who don't necessarily understand how the internet works in those ways, what these look like. And then the man in the middle, which we'll get into more, is essentially having connections through other devices like Wi-Fi, and we'll get more into that in just a moment.